think that like at the same time, since when we talk Monday, at the same time, she had two videos going crazy on Reels. They're like both over 1 million, and a third one is going over 1 million, right? So I think that that's helping the retarget go down a good bit.
Oh, absolutely.
But
you
like,
retarget those people on Reels.
huh?
You should retarget the people on the Reels.
How you do that? Click what?
Duplicate.
Because I was looking at if I could do Reels, but I didn't see it.
Yeah. And then hit create audience inside of the, so go to the audience real quick. And then scroll down. And then go ahead and hit create audience there above IG profile. Create new.
Oh.
And then custom audience. And then click on video. And then hit next. And then choose content type. And then do like, I guess we could just do 3 seconds. It doesn't really matter.
Okay.
Yeah. And then choose videos. And then go ahead and select Facebook page on the far left. And then select Instagram profile. And then choose hers. And then bam. Scroll down.
But like, we're like,
go to the next page. These aren't, wait a second.
There's one reel right here.
Okay, keep going. Yep, there's one with 600,000.
Oh, wow. I didn't know this was here. I was looking in the other, you know how you check the boxes? Like, you know, like, oh, wow. Okay. So
yeah,
you can check multiple ones?
Yeah, and remember when I was telling you about how like that guy, we paid like $10 to reach like 100,000 people?
Yeah.
That was because of the TikToks built up the audience.
Uh-huh.
Same thing goes for Reels.
But the crazy thing is sometimes all of her posts don't show in here, which is weird.
So she has to post it to her profile, and then she needs to hide it from her profile if she doesn't want it on her profile.
Oh,
so like you can post a feed, but she might be posting in Reels only, but have her post a feed. And if she doesn't want the Reel on her feed, whenever she posts it to her feed, just have her remove it from her profile.
Okay, well, this is the only one that I have, but it was like 3 videos.
Yeah.
Because I think she's only posting them to Reels, but this one was only to Reels. The one that we just checked, that was only to Reels. Even this one right here was just to Reels. That was just today or yesterday.
Yeah.
And this was just to Reels. Like I had this issue with something else before, but a lot of stuff wasn't showing in there. So you're saying basically once I confirm it, it'll retarget those?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, that's a huge retargeting audience.
Yeah, it sure is. I didn't even, because I was looking in the normal place because I was like, hey, there has to be a way to do the Reels. But
every Reel she gets a lot of views on is automatically a free audience for you.
Man, okay. But so I'm just lost at why some of them only show here. Is it
change it from 3 seconds to something else? Do like
10 seconds?
No, do like a smaller amount, maybe. Try like 25% of the video.
Close out the 3 seconds?
Yeah, and then hit choose. I honestly think it's the feed thing, but hit choose video again. And then switch it to, so that's an IG promo.
Yeah. Let me see. This is one Reels, but that didn't go crazy. Here's the same one.
Yeah.
And there was like 2 after that. Let me see.
I would just go with that one for now, and then double check to make sure it's going to feeds moving forward.
Okay. So go to feeds, and you're saying hide it, and then
if she wants, yeah.
Okay. Because I thought it was you told me don't do it. Only do it to don't do it to both or something like that. I feel like you told me that before, but maybe. Oh, here it is. Here's right here.
Boom. That's 1.2 mil. That's huge.
Yeah, and it's one more that's like at 1.3, I think. Hold on, let me see.
Nice. Yeah. So just select all those videos.
There, no, that's not it. Okay, I'll
That one's
select them and
amplified
just,
too.
yeah, that one's not a Reels. That was just a regular ad or whatever, but I'll find the other one and then do that one as well. And the rest is the same after this. Everything else is the same, but I didn't know you could do that. That's like, this is a Reels right here too, this one.
Yeah, you can select all of them. Select that one.
Oh my gosh, jeez, that's crazy.
Yeah.
All right. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Because the next thing I was going to ask you is that, so I created, because remember I told you I did the evergreen video, just regular video. So I stacked a couple videos in there, and the lookalike of this didn't really work to get it below 1. It was just another 1%. But then yesterday I did a retarget to the IG profile, and then I added in one of the lookalikes, and this is where I am right now.
Wow.
I added in the 1% lookalike, and that's where I'm in right now.
Yeah, there you go. That's already a huge decrease.
Yeah, but I was like trying to see how I could. Did you have any ideas of how I can get this down, or just let this?
Oh, right here.
What's
we
that?
Just did it. What we're doing. You do.
Oh, with the retargeting.
Yeah, absolutely.
So like, would you lower this down and leave it running and then put more into this one that's lower? Or because this one right here is the wide, what do you call it? Like the real wide audience?
Yeah, for sure. Lower this one and then push it into the ones that are even cheaper. You're about to like amplify the show, your views once you retarget all those other ones as well.
Damn, that's crazy. You just blew my mind. I was just looking for Reels. I was like, there has to be a way. Yeah. And you just, but would you retarget?
I went viral off that shit on TikTok. Everybody was like, what the hell? You can retarget a reel?
Yeah. Like, so would you retarget like a link click campaign and like another video campaign probably? Can you do both?
Yeah, absolutely. You include all those audiences if you want.
That's crazy. Okay. All right. And then my other question was, so in the retargeting one, would you, why is it cut? Oh, that's the thing I just created, the draft. Okay. So I guess what my question was like, would you just cut this one off now? This is the other retargeting, like it's still at 27 cents. And like, it's mind boggling because some of these are getting a lot of clicks, like 356 in one day. Like, I'm sorry, in 1 week. So would you just take this one off now or just leave it on still?
For sure.
Okay. Okay. Wow, man, that just blew my mind. Okay, yeah, that's huge to throw the Reels. And this one is still kind of the same.
See if you can get her music listed on Instagram.
What do you mean listed on Instagram?
I don't know how to do it, but I would look into it to see if you can.
It's on Instagram because you can use it in like the Reels and stuff like that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's definitely on there. Our distributor does that. But like still here, like it's okay, but it's not crazy. But it's like getting a lot of clicks. Like even this one is like 200 something clicks. But then the one that's getting the lowest clicks is the least cost. So I'm like, should just leave this alone still? And then just retarget the Reels, like you just said, with the same campaign and see if it goes lower?
Absolutely.
Okay. Okay, I got it. Now that you showed me that, now I got an idea of what to do. Okay.
Perfect.
Thanks, man.
Awesome, no problem.